The haunting of Willow Manor. In the heart of the countryside stood Willow Manor, an ancient estate veiled in mystery and darkness. Whispered tales of its haunted past echoed through the neighboring villages, instilling fear in the hearts of all who dared to venture near. The manor's once grand facade was now weathered and worn, its windows like empty eyes peering out into the night. Ivy twisted around its walls like skeletal fingers, while the moon cast eerie shadows upon its crumbling stone. Few dared to enter Willow Manor, but one fateful night, a group of curious souls decided to explore its depths. Ignoring the warnings of the locals, they pushed open the creaking gates and stepped into the realm of the unknown. As they crossed the threshold, a chilling wind swept through the corridors, carrying with it whispers of the past. Each step echoed like a heartbeat in the silence, as if the very walls were alive with a malevolent presence. They ventured deeper into the manor, their footsteps muffled by layers of dust and decay. But as they delved further into the darkness, a sense of dread washed over them, like a shroud enveloping their souls. Suddenly, they heard it, a soft, haunting melody drifting through the air, beckoning them into the abyss. They followed the sound, unable to resist its siren call, until they found themselves in a forgotten chamber, illuminated by the pale glow of moonlight.
याप्रमाणे इंद्राने उहशाप देतांच तो स्वर्गाहून पतन पावून मिथिलेच्या रानात गाढव होऊन राहिला. त्या गावात कमट म्हणून एक कुंभार होता.
There, seated at an ancient piano, was a figure cloaked in shadow, its features obscured by darkness. As the melody grew louder, the figure began to play with unearthly skill, its fingers dancing across the keys with an otherworldly grace. Mesmerized by the haunting music, the group drew closer, oblivious to the danger that lurked in the shadows. But as they reached out to touch the pianist, the melody abruptly ceased, and the figure turned towards them with eyes as black as midnight. With a blood-curdling scream, they realized the truth: they were not alone in Willow Manor. The spirits of its tormented past had awakened, hungry for revenge upon any who dared to disturb their eternal slumber. In a frenzy of terror, the group fled from the manor, their hearts pounding with fear as they raced into the night. But as they looked back one final time, they saw the figure standing in the doorway, its gaze following them into the darkness. And so, the legend of Willow Manor lived on, a testament to the horrors that lie hidden within its walls, a place where the line between the living and the dead is forever blurred, and where nightmares become reality.